This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Ron L. Dennis, GRI, CDPE, BPO, CNE, CFHE. The perfect remodel photos are a must-see. Totally open floor plan home with look tile floors, fantastic bright new kitchen, west/island counter seating, quartz countertops, all new appliances and amp, air compressor, large deep stainless steel sink, convection/microwave oven, ceramic cooktop, plenty of easy slide out deep cabinet storage, built-in recycle bins, window over sink, west/lake and amp, garden view, impact windows and amp, glass doors, designer closet system for maximum storage, eliminates the need for chest and amp, dressers, huge Florida room, west/sliders to spacious open tile deck, corner home, serene water view and amp, easy access to community amenities including heated pools, fitness center, clubhouse, west/card, game and amp, exercise rooms, workshop, walking and amp, biking paths close to shopping, beaches and amp, casinos. For more information, review the details below.